But imagine a job where you are the backbone, the unsung hero, ensuring the seamless operation of technology that powers an organization. Welcome to the world of a technical operations officer. This role is not only critical, but also thrilling, filled with opportunities to solve complex problems and make a real impact. It's a job that blends technical expertise, strategic thinking, and a dash of creativity. In the coming minutes, we'll delve into the exciting details of this role. Ready? Let's dive in. A technical operations officer, often called tech ops officer, wears many hats, from managing IT infrastructure to troubleshooting technical issues. Picture this: you're the tech wizard who keeps the digital gears of a company turning smoothly. Your day-to-day tasks include maintaining systems, ensuring network security, and making sure that all technical aspects of the organization are running like well-oiled machines. But it's not all about the tech. A significant part of your role involves managing team members, coordinating with various departments, and liaising with stakeholders. You're the bridge between the technical and non-technical aspects of the organization, translating intricate tech jargon into understandable language for all. You're also the problem solver. When a technical issue arises, you're there to diagnose and troubleshoot, ensuring minimal disruption to the company's operations. Being a tech ops officer is no walk in the park. It's a role that demands a diverse skill set and a knack for juggling multiple responsibilities. But the thrill of overcoming challenges and knowing that you're the backbone of the company's technical operations makes it worthwhile. So, what does it take to become a successful tech ops officer? Well, let's dive right in. To start with, technical proficiency is a cornerstone. You need to be well versed in a variety of software, hardware, and network systems. The more you know, the better. Next, a knack for problem solving is essential. You'll face unique challenges daily, and it's your responsibility to find effective and efficient solutions. This often requires creative thinking and a deep understanding of the technology at hand. Communication skills are another crucial aspect. You're not just dealing with machines, but people too. Whether it's explaining complex technical issues to non-technical colleagues or coordinating with a team, clear and concise communication is key. Leadership qualities are also vital. As a tech ops officer, you'll often be leading projects or teams, making decisions and setting the pace. Remember, in the world of technology, staying updated is the key, so continuous learning is a must. Every job has its challenges and rewards, and the role of a tech ops officer is no different. Let's dive into the challenges first. As a tech ops officer, you'll be dealing with complex technical issues that can test your problem-solving skills to the limit. There's no such thing as a typical day in this role. One moment you could be troubleshooting a server issue, the next you're dealing with a network outage. And let's not forget about those tight deadlines and managing multiple tasks simultaneously. Yes, it can be daunting, but it's also what makes this role so thrilling. But what about the rewards? Well, they're plentiful. Aside from a good salary that reflects the importance and complexity of the role, many employers offer a flexible work schedule. This means you can balance your work with other aspects of your life. Plus, there's the satisfaction of problem solving. There's nothing quite like the feeling of cracking a tough technical issue or improving a system's performance. And let's not forget about the opportunities for learning and development. In this role, you're constantly learning about new technologies and systems, making it a perfect fit for those with a thirst for knowledge. And the best part? There's room for growth and progression, with opportunities to branch out into related roles. So, if you're someone who loves challenges and is driven by the rewards they bring, the role of a tech ops officer could be a perfect fit for you. So, does the role of a technical operations officer sound like your kind of adventure? Picture it: you're at the helm of a team, steering the ship through the turbulent waters of technology. You're using your expertise to troubleshoot, to innovate, to strategize. You're the backbone of operations, the unseen hero ensuring smooth sailing. Can you see yourself there? Now imagine the opportunities that could unfold, the skills you'll acquire, the challenges you'll conquer. The satisfaction of knowing your work is integral to the success of your team. It's an adventure worth considering. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you see yourself in this role? Or perhaps you're already a tech ops officer with experiences to share? Drop a comment below. Let's foster a dialogue. Let's learn from each other. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the life of a tech ops officer, make sure to subscribe for more insights into fascinating careers. Don't forget to comment and share this video with friends who might find it helpful.